kindly be looked into. Very interesting. Provided that in the case of a heritage building, the municipal commissioner may refer the state of condition thereof to the Heritage Conservation Committee for its consideration and decision. So their own people. Notice can be issued, my lord, under section 411(1) and thereafter, my lord, 412. Sometime in a particular premises which is declared as a heritage, today in collusion and nexus with the, my lord, the promoter and Kolkata Municipal Corporation employee, this could have been happened. As a result of which, in order to protect, my lord, the heritage building, even it is collapsed, on the verge of demolition, on the verge of collapse, my lord, they have decided to place it before the Heritage Conservation Committee.
Show me from your prayer you have challenged the why this.
No, I am not challenging it. I am this rider may kindly be looked into.
No
my lord,
question. Because the moment one building is directed to earmarked as heritage, the separate provisions under the statute work in.
True. My lord, in the case of, my lord, power to order removal of a dangerous building, if it is dangerous building, if it is collapsed, my lord, the question of the life.
Show me you have challenged the why this.
No, I am not challenging it. I am just drawing lordship attention.
No question of drawing attention.
Here, my lord, our humble submission to the extent 411, 30 days was given. The question of structural stability is yet to be ascertained.
We do not make your submission so high
Lordship.
that
Lordship.
unnecessarily the case of the petitioner will be caught.
Lordship. Our humble submission in this particular case,
you say 30 days statutory period. How come 13 days you are issuing?
Yes, and on the other hand, my lord, the structural stability question is to be looked into by the expert. And
yes, Mr. Ghosh.
You can see the condition of the building. You obtain the building sanction plan from the.
No. Take the microphone. Let us read the statute.
The statute, my lord, you can see, my lord.
Take the microphone, sir. Yes.
First of all, you can see the short facts. Why we have issued the notice. In successively, it's 411(1), then 411(2). These are the two notices. Now, you can see, my lord, that a 5-story building has been erected, according to them, on obtaining a sanction plan from the Jila Parishad, then Jila Parishad. Now, it is within the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Now, the building is dangerously tilting in one side. That is reported and published by the.
Show me the report.
You can see that they have annexes at page 27, at page P3.
Your report.
The report, the publication of the Indian newspaper. Publication in the newspaper.
No evidence at all.
Well, that is the
88 Supreme Court.
No, then photograph.
Secondary evidence.
No evidence at all. 88 Supreme Court.
No, we have issued. We have stated why for removing.
You show me your evidence. You show me your report. I will accept.
My evidence is this, that I have asked them 411(2) to come out from the premises.
No. Two things. This dangerous condition, tilting, this, that. You show me from your report, I will take it as an evidence. Newspaper is merely a hearsay. Not even secondary, sir. It's a hearsay. 88 Supreme Court, a clear bar.
Yes, ma'am.
You show me your expert's opinion, I will accept it. Then and there.
I will support the notice which has been issued by us.
Secondly,
my lord,
411(2) requests satisfaction of mind. Show me that.
For satisfaction of mind, you can see, my lord, that we have
satisfaction of mind means consideration of materials and application of mind. Show me that. Then where is the utility in giving a statutory period of 30 days?
Well, we consider it, because I don't find the papers which has been handed over. That whatever my lord is asking for. Just I am pointing out two things, because he is coming up with two notices which have been issued by us. Now, first of all, you can see 411(1). The 411, my lord, one says not only the Union State, but it also says if any wall or building or anything affixed there to be deemed by the municipal commissioner to be in a ruinous state or likely to fall.
So a satisfaction of mind.
Likely to fall. Admittedly, it is his own statement in the petition, the building is tilted in one side. That on the basis of that, my lord, it is not required by us that any further, my lord, the information to be supplied to the court that building is tilted in one side. And we consider, because when the building is tilted in one side, is a 5-story building, initially,
You
my
file a report in the form of affidavit.
I may file, my lord, but you also at the same time record it that will be during the pendency of this submission of the report, we shall not be held responsible any untoward things that happen, because building is in a dangerous way, it's tilting in one side, and we have issued a 411-2 notice.
I will give you 7 days time. File a report.
Because we do not
Matter
want to
shall
take any
appear
risk in
before-
the matter.
Huh?
We do not want to take any risk by my officers, because we have, my lord, seen the visual observation, the building is tilting in one side, and, my lord, that is the reason we have asked them to come out of the building, because it cannot be, my lord, preserved. It cannot be, they could not come out any report that it could be, my lord, strengthened, it could be removed, it can be stand. But if a 5-story building is tilting in one side,
Acha, 1 second. Mr. Petitioner, what he is saying, it is a threat to the individual's life, right? You have also annexed a newspaper photograph. I may not rely on it, but after all, I am exercising equitable jurisdiction as well. So I will direct the occupiers to come out.
No, my lord, kindly not. My lord, we have prepared a, my lord, structural engineer.
Very well, then responsibility is yours.
Certainly, my lord. Certainly, my lord, it was published in the newspaper.
No.
My lord, it was only
Question of life threat.
my lord, it was published.
Question of life threat, question of serious casualty. Sorry,
The provision is there. They are to do work within the 4 corner of the law.
sir,
Such a situation in the Kolkata, my
law will have to apply
lordship.
in a given situation.
My lord, subjective
Now,
satisfaction.
no,
They have
no,
issued
no.
this notice, my lord.
If tomorrow
Not-
I will, so you undertake that your responsibility?
No, my lord, at the same time, my lord, we have.
You undertake,
No, my lord, kindly consider, my lord.
no question of
Even,
consideration.
my lord, we are residing there with our respective family. We are not in a position to go anywhere.
Sir,
Lord, even-
I will add the rider.
Even any
The
incident occurred.
corporation will have no responsibility.
Only, my lord,
It is the responsibility of the developer and the occupier.
True, my lord, I'm accepting it. At the same time, my lord, I'm making this submission most humbly and with all humility. My lord, it was published in the newspaper. Then only, my lord, the corporation showing their active attitude.
Very well.
So, my lord, building regulation.
So taking
terms
cue
of-
from your submission, even if after publication the corporation takes steps,
Yes, my lord. Date may kindly be looked into.
that
first.
will be according to you, fatal to for the corporation.
Yes, my lord. Kindly
But
see,
if tomorrow the building collapses, who will take the responsibility?
my lord, kindly see, my lord, the date of, my lord, the publication. কত তারিখে?
Sir, I accept.
22nd April.
I accept everything.
Lordship.
You tell the court. If the building collapses tomorrow, who will take the
Lordship
responsibility?
was kind enough to indicate that. My lord, the newspaper report, kindly see page
I will
27.
not look at the newspaper
My
report.
lord, I'm also, my lord, that is our submission also.
Answer my question.
My lord, initially the newspaper published and then they have issued section 411(1) notice.
Very well, accepted.
Not 2,
Accepted.
allowing me 30 days. No exercise of
Accepted.
mind.
Accepted. If tomorrow it collapses, you will take the responsibility.
Certainly, my lord, since we are residing there, subject to correction, my lord, since we are residing there, we don't have any other alternative.
Sorry, no.
Lordship, kindly, my lord,
Sorry, no.
record, my lord.
I will know. Temporary, you have to go out, sir. Before the court, the lives are more important. Lives of
Kindly record our submission. Record our submission. We are responsible for that.
Then even I will direct.
Yes, my lord.
Then also I will direct.
No, my lord, they are to do within the 4 corner of the law, my lord.
Sir, I will direct. They will not demolish,
Lordship.
but I will direct to file them report within 7 days.
Lordship.
But in the meantime, you will have to.
No,
remove.
my lord, kindly see, my lord, 411 notice, they have directed us to repair. We are taking initiative to repair it. Meanwhile, they have 411 too.
You take step for repairing.
So,
But after
when
removing
the 411 2 notice is there, I cannot.
very well.
If 411(1) notice is there,
Let me pass my order.
no, my lord, our humble submission may kindly be considered, my lord, the corporation cannot do, which is not within the 4 corner of the law.
Let's say the corporation has done a severe illegality.
Lordship.
But if tomorrow something happens
So, my lord,
and 100 lives are at stake,
at least their subjective, objective satisfaction must be recorded. Lordship,
Sir,
kindly fix it
counsel,
one day.
Minster Council, then also you will be arguing the law.
My lord, kindly see, my
If
lord.
something collapses tomorrow, you will argue the law.
My lord, subject to correction, it is a popular argument of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation as to what prompted them to issue notice 411(1) after this particular publication and allowed us 30 days time. My lord, we are taking all initiative to do the
After
the repairing
if
work.
something collapses, you will take. Who will take the responsibility?
My lord, certainly, my lord, since we are living there,
What
here
I
is-
was suggesting,
Lordship,
temporarily you remove your occupier.
Lord, subject to the taking opinion of the expert. In the event expert says the immediate removal is needed, that to be my lord furnished by the
If
Kolkata
something
Municipal
happens
Corporation.
tomorrow, if something happens
No, my lord,
tomorrow,
cannot happen, my lord. We have taken opinion of an expert. They have very categorically stated what is to be done.
is it part of the writ petition?
No, not. We have taken meanwhile, and we are taking all preparation to do, my lord, the repairing work. Let corporation come forward with a one-page report. It will be collapsed immediately. Let it be fixed on Monday, my lord. Let it be fixed on Monday. My
I don't know,
objective
my lord,
satisfaction must be
tomorrow or
recorded.
today, or tomorrow or 1 month after, my lord, when it will fall, nobody could say that it will immediately
A page-
fail.
My lord, the satisfaction they have
No,
recorded.
I'm not saying anything.
Because, my lord, I cannot take any responsibility. My lord, he can come with any case. In such a case, my lord, I will not take any responsibility.
I am not.
I find,
I
my
am
lord,
not. I
it
am
is
not.
likely to fall. Therefore, I have issued a
I am not saying anything. I am not saying anything. I'll simply give you 7 days time to file a
Lordship,
report.
Lordship. Or, my lord, Monday it may be fixed, my lord. Subject to my
Monday, how
senior
will we
friends.
come up with a report?
My lord, tomorrow is Friday. Saturday is open to the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Such a serious issue as my learned friend depicted over here. And they have recorded in their file. So objective satisfaction is to be recorded 411(2). Then, my lord,
Sir,
411(4) may kindly be looked
sir,
into.
It's clear. because
Law
of
will
technical
come.
reasoning.
Law will come later.
Lordship,
First, the lives.
absolutely, my lord.
First, the
My lord,
lives.
since we are taking risk of residing there and taking opinion of our
Persons have
expert,
come, or
of
two
our
persons have
expert,
come,
of
not
our
all the
expert,
persons.
How many flat owners are the
Two
party?
have come.
36 flat owners there.
Huh?
36 flat owners. Sir.
And you are for the two.
Two persons have come.
You
You
are
are
for
taking the
the two.
responsibility.
It is not through the association also.
How could one
Yes,
present
since
this
there is
application?
no registered association, my lord, lordship kindly see our representation for a while, my lord. Kindly come to my lord page 30, 31.
Nothing doing. Nothing doing.
Only 30, 31. All the my lord, the inmates have made signature. My lord, lordship kindly come to
The
page 20.
petitioner has challenged the action of the corporation authority in issuing the notice under section 411 within bracket English 2 of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation Act 1980. At page dated. What is the date?
My lord, date is
May
my lord,
16, 2024 at page 25 to the writ petition. The principal contention of the petitioner is that the notice dated May 3, 2024 and at page 24 to the writ petition was issued by the corporation under section 411 within bracket 1 of the KMC Act 1980, which provides for a time stipulation of 30 days